Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you this beautiful part of Panjim, which is where I live, and I just wanted to show you around and see how beautiful it is over here. So right now I'm at the top of my building. So over here, this place is really beautiful. I'm in an area called Fontainhas, which is the Portuguese quarter of Goa. So this is all old Portuguese houses over here, and it's very beautiful. But I'm not going to be showing you the Portuguese houses at the moment. I'm just going to be showing you the view around here, and it's an amazing place to come. You can come here and spend some time in the Portuguese quarter. You can walk down this boulevard over here, which is this long street with mangroves. The mangroves have not, there's a special boardwalk for mangroves, and I'll be showing you all that in a later video. But that is a very beautiful place where you can walk, you can click some amazing pictures. So I'm just going to show you around over here and just tell you a little bit about this area over here, guys. So guys, let's start off with the bridge over here. This is the Atal Setu bridge, which is the new bridge. This thing in the night is absolutely amazing because the whole thing, if you come on a weekend, this bridge lights up with the Indian flag, and then it keeps on changing into the different colors. Then the whole sky, the clouds basically start changing color as well. So that's a very nice thing to come and see over here, especially at night. This is very beautiful. Then over here, as you can see, these are all mangroves, which is very beautiful. This is I'm at the moment on the top of my building here in Panjim city. So I have a couple of offices in this building also. So over here, this is the mangroves over here, and over there in the distance you can see this building. That is the Panjim Central Library, which is a very beautiful place. And if you want, you can go to the back of the area over there, which is the mangroves. It's a full boardwalk where people can go click pictures. It's one of the most Instagrammable places in Goa here. So as you can see in the distance over here, those are all Portuguese houses and very Portuguese vibe over here. So it's a very nice place to come around and see. And this is called the Pato area. So this Pato area is basically the business district of Goa. So over there we have the passport office, and over here we have all nice offices of all the major companies. Over there in that building you have very nice cafes. So if you want to go have some coffee or tea when you're in this area, go to that cafe over there. I will put the name of the cafe below. So just let's look down over here, and you can see all the cars and everything. Everything is back to normal, guys. So lots of people are moving around, and this is a very famous footbridge. This is called the Pato footbridge. It has some fantastic paint. It's not painting, basically it's tiles. So they have like this really nice tile work on it, and it's very colorful. So again, very good place for Instagram pictures. Over there, there's another nice tree. When it blooms, it is so beautiful, and a lot of people come here to click Instagram pictures with that tree over here. So guys, this is the beauty of Goa. If you've seen my previous video, the rains are over and it's absolutely beautiful over here, guys. So till next time, I'll show you another part of Goa, guys.